Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Malibu LT. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 24,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.